pants and pad. Let's go to another dose. The Mario Kart World was that the wet was amazing. I watched it at 20 times. And you want me to see it? I'm gonna do a video on it. What? This. Yeah, maybe I don't know which video will be posted first. Oh no. But I might want the I don't know what the Italian. Hopefully we today not Yoshi in this episode. I don't know why. Is it in this video? I mean. Should I just use it to make the fire flower in storage? Oh, I wish we had the wood on so then we can open that. We just... Oh, there's nothing? Are you serious? I just love the spoon. Should we go to the top secret area? I think so. Yeah, top secret area. Let's go to top secret area. Then a Yoshi and a feather. And another feather. I think 2 feathers will be there. And a Yoshi. Oh, I know an idea. To did a bunch I made it when I did Funky Eyes. Okay, we are at Funky Eyes today. Let's do this level now. Whoa, that was so... No! Oh, I thought I would have been done. Yes, my Yoshi has wings. Whoa. I need set to wait for you. And beyond. No! For this I need to use my power. No! This is bad. I didn't do this again. We started the game. Now we are back to it. I think no! What? Yoshi! Come back! Come back, Yoshi! Yes! Yes! Give me back my Yoshi! No! Give me! Give me! My Yoshi back! No! My Yoshi! Okay, we are... Should I be the Luigi? But... No! No, I don't want to use my Yoshi again. That was enough. Oh, what? No, no, no. I want to rescue the Yoshi. Tell me that star now. No. Yes! Second star toy, maybe. I wasn't the spoiling so much. So maybe not. I don't know. I think the Nintendo Switch 2 fail was awesome. Madden Joy-Cons. I think, was there Madden Joy-Cons? No! It was, I'm not, just for a second. I don't think they could did that. I think that had to be yellow. Plus I have a special ability like Yoshi Giant. But I don't think that's the... I don't think... Oh no. Okay. No. Come on. Yes. Just for a second. No. Can't jump off my Yoshi on you. Just for... What? This is so bewildered. And flames. Inside the Yoshi maze. I can't even jump off my Yoshi. Oh, yes. Beat the ball. Oh. We are not in the Yoshi Meadows. No. Whoa, that was so weird. That was so weird. I think I want the Nintendo Switch to fail a bunch of times. We are underwater. What are these? Cheap Jeeps, I think? Oh, multi Jeeps. I think I'm multi Jeeps. Let me disappear. I think I need the team. I don't know. I don't know about for under. But if I have Yoshi, no, 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 yes, yes, Yoshi came back. Let's find out to use Yoshi. No! Can I not take ammo? Oh no, sorry Yoshi. No. And doesn't want me to have Yoshi. Oh, I think there was a secret. I think there was a secret there. If I don't remember correctly, there was a secret there. Oh yeah. Aww. That's too bad. Oh, what? Maybe there's a people here, but I highly doubt that. Ooh, feather. I wish I had yours. I'm gonna go back to secret area. Okay. No. Do I need to do the P jump? He did the... This is it. Oh. And I can go here? Whoa. Secret area? Yes, seed. Wait. Yes, a secret. Which ball is? Go! No, switch powers. The power of the switch. You press will turn into. Yeah, fix them all for y'all. Okay. Whoa, that's so too. Do I even remember that? And after that, I have my Yoshi bag. Do I? I have my Yoshi bag. That's amazing. That's amazing. Man. How did I have my Yoshi bag? The Yoshi is okay, I think. Is he? No! No! Let's see the Luigi in the world map. Now let's switch to the Wii. Mario. Now it's did another Yoshi. I don't think this is teeny. And there's a firepower. But I really want the tape. And then did back to the yeah while I was on. Oh, there we are back. I step through. Okay, this die. So if I don't die and Yoshi is turned down, is that true? No. Let's down. Ooh! Oh man. That's okay. Not terrible, but it's okay. Yes. I thought it would be a vine. It wouldn't change anything. I don't know. Just say, oh, what? What? That was weird. Can I even that was a freeze the edge. You saw that? Yeah, I thought that charging turd that was trying to charge me. Oh no! Need a power. Need it. Woohoo! Just no! No! Let me out of this yellow fast! Oh man. Whoa! Let's be the Luigi. There's not that often that we play it. Maybe for followers of a user, we would do the Luigi only. Let's go to top secret. There's someone. Oh, there's two fireflowers. I guess that's okay. Okay. No, you see. Okay. Oh, no. Whoa, you did see that over the bridge? I didn't know that. What? Do you see the door? Ooh. I got King Bomb Bomb. Woo, woo, woo. Oh. Come on, yes. Checkpoint. That's okay. That's okay. Wait, my turn. No, boo. Don't boo. Ha ha. Green bubbles. Wee. No more weedy. You want my toys. You want money. You need money at Metal Farm. Metal Farms. Yeah. Are you ready to dance? Oh, yeah, Captain. I can tell you all. I can tell the. And that's all we hit. So I guess we are gonna go through the stuff for no reason. Because we need to restart. Yes. Yes, a tape. A tape. Yes. We. Oh! Oh, no. No. Come on, give me a power. Give me a power. Are you trying to get me? No, I'm just the one near the panel. So if I just stay behind. Oh, oh no, oh no. Ooh. That was so Tails. Ooh. In my turn. And it? Yeah! Money! We made out of those blue horse. That's amazing. Save and continue. Yes, no. I'm in the Mario. Oh, I don't remember this level. This level was hard when I first played it. This level was, this was Mario Wonder. It said 4 or 3 or 2 star difficulty. Did it. It's still. Oh! That pineapple. What? What? Oh. Tape. This is exactly what we need. And we need some 1 HP. We have to do this. And I'm holding on a Super World and Mario Maker 2. What you need? PNC? This will be so hard. Whoa. Where does this take us? Oh, that is just give us a starter. This is my Western. Just give us a starter. That's fine. we had two tapes. At least that's did. Oh, yes. Said I do for oh. That was an Amy tuba. Yes, that. I think I'm gonna add that to Mario Maker too. So that will be so exciting. Mario and the Rainbow Stars I never played before, but I have watched videos. But only on World 1. I haven't seen the boss, but I have. Oh, no! You see that? I paused the game. How can you make it up there? No, no. This pipe is absolutely sus. No, no. No, you see. He went back to Dinosaur Land. Did he? Or did he went to the pipe to Mario Wonder? That's my first thing. How does Yoshi go? Oh. There's two more yellows. Okay, another don't fall. Whoa. Whoa, whoa. It might be there's a mushroom. Mario Kart World. That thing when it comes out, I need it. Maybe. Teeth. Target. Oh, shut up. Wow. What? No, no, no. Did I? No, I didn't. Need to. Uh-oh. How did... Yes. Starter? Yes. Come on, starter. I need it. I need a starter. I need it. I need it. I need it. Yes. Yes, another one. Yes. Oh. Ooh. 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 Wow. Mario can jump very high. No. No. Funky at this. That's good. I did a bonus funky. Not bad. Yummy castle. Yeah, dog. Oh no, no, no. No, Magic Koopa's flying to get me. Oh, I did 10. No, no. Can I stop? No. Oh, yes, I got damage. That's it. Come on. No! No! Let me go back to secret iron. Okay, let me tussle. I don't know why I made that voice. Yummy's tussle. It's Yummy's tussle. That's a bad. Trying to spin jump on these birds? No, thank you. Did that and did that. No, that doesn't stow it. Oh, 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 oh. No, Magituba don't want me to up there, but I thought up there. Yes, I thought zero star tones. Oh man, yes, there's a star tone. And no, a dinosaur toy, Elvadin toy. Whatever. I think they just like the Yoshi toy. And just like the Yoshi. No, I didn't want them. Do I didn't want them? Do I? No, I missed the one. Oh man. But matter how many times I die here. Oh, can I? What? This is. Oh man. Tibetan. Okay. Oh. What should I do? If I die 2 more times, I will dig the tape. Okay. I will do a 100. If we get to 100 of fibers, I will do a 100 of fibers theme special. To be my first female book. Maybe the Ouija will be better. I don't know. Let's say tease of the Ouija's. The Ouija does it. I will be so surprised. It will be amazing. And the Ouija does it. It will be the Super the Ouija world. Does it sound it? Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh man. Let me pause for a second. It's not. I'm not though. I won't. No! What? Did I make it? Let me switch to the Ouija. The Ouija says he wants to do. Oh man, he's a yeah boy. No. No. Let me turn the camera the other way. Let me. Well, Oh. Can I do bad? Let me pause. Good news. We start from here. Let me restart. Okay, I restarted the game. Let's do this. If I wasn't Luigi, I think that Luigi is actually UDIDOC. Let me use this. Okay, us and then. Yeah, to restart the game once again. I don't want to do it one more. Now we are the paper wheel. Ooh. Oh. I think the game is easier with Luigi. I don't know, but he's mostly able. In some ways, Luigi is harder. But it just feels like Luigi is easier. Yeah, mine does feel kinda easy, but Luigi is so easy. I think beginners play. Luigi is very hard. And I'm feeling Luigi is like the easiest to ever. Okay. Oh, let me restart the game once more, and now I can't restart the game anymore. Okay. Let's go. Ooh. Mm-hmm. Yes. Luigi is absolutely soda. Ooh. Yes, Donald. What? Luigi. Oh, come on. Let me switch to Mario. I was so close, but so far. I didn't doubt it. That's okay. I don't need all of them. And this feels like the dinosaur times? Or just all of collectibles? Just little Bibles? I mean, I'm not the... Ooh, don't... I can't restart anymore. I said it. Okay, we the toxic, and I didn't restart. Didn't restart. No. I'm going for this. Oh. Whoa. Kinda wispy, but that's okay. Sometimes in a video game, you can do. I don't know what that was. But I need to just patience. I need patience. That's okay. I just don't want it to be the podium owl video. That's why I just touch through it. Oh, what if this Bible just keep defeating me? That Bible fighting to get me. Oh, that's the part that I die. I'm safe here. No, I'm wasting it. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Let me pause. I said I wasn't going to say. I got the Yoshi tone and it wasn't retarded that now I'm retarded. Okay, we are back here again. Okay? No! Let me get down. I thought I was small Mario. What is that? A Yoshi toy? No. Have to. Okay? Yes! The boss. No. That's the not the real one. Yes. Yes. One more hit. One more hit. Yes. Yes. We got them so fast. Mario Toaster. See, Mario has a hammer. Just like Mario Bros. Mario and Luigi have tumbled over YouTuber touch on number 3. There's more and there's Torres instead in more and more difficult. How have you found the red and green switches yet? I did. Make sure to identify and have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.